factor tree of 300. So 300, it can be written as 2 times 150. 2 times 150 means 300. So 150, it can be written as 2 times 75. 2 times 75 means 150. 75, it can be written as 3 times 25. 3 times 25 means 75. Now 25, it can be written as 5 times 5. 5 times 5 means 25. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 2, 3, 5 and 5. So we can write 300 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 and times 5. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.